So I had to retake this so many times, but hey, it's Clayton. Y'all, some of y'all may know me, some of y'all may not, but I go to BHS, Banneker High School, from Georgia, and I really wanted to show y'all, cause it's my first video for real, like first official video and stuff like that. I'm gonna be cooking, and I don't know how to cook like that. My grandma showed me how to cook. I know how to cook a little bit from my mom, well, a lot of it from my mom. Gotta give her props. And I just wanted to cook some more, so I decided to like make a channel and other social medias to show y'all my cooking journey, cause I can cook like I said a little bit, but not that much. And I want to just keep this dream like flowing through me and like my passion, even throughout college and stuff. And I got accepted into Clark, and that's been my dream school since 5th grade, since my administrator told me she went there, and it just seemed like a great school. So that being said, let's get into the video.
I got my boy Lil. Come on, man. All right, man. Come in. Take your shoes off and shit.
Welcome. Is the camera blurry?
No.
You sure it's not? I see a little bit junk on there, bro. But anyway, this is me. My name is Clayton Johnson. I got my friend Lil behind the camera recording.
Hello.
Yeah. We don't got a good camera, so he can't flip it. But I'm about to make some butter chicken, and I invited a few of my friends over to review, taste test. This is my first time making it, but y'all gonna see how it is.
All right, so had to do some first part of the dish. Is that you?
Yes, that's me.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Some ginger. I already cut that pre-cut. Well, I did it. So yeah, you're pre-cut.
Off camera.
Yeah, off camera cutting. Like off camera mining in Minecraft.
I don't do that.
But anyway, so I'm about to start cutting the garlic.
All right, so before this junk just keep on going, I'm gonna put the recipe like in the description, because I didn't really say anything nor finish, but yeah, I was kind of yapping.
All right,
But proceed with the video.
All right, let me spread it close apart. But this is to like add the real flavor to the thing, because some folks don't be adding the flavor. You like with
It's synthetic. They be using that powder. It don't work.
exactly. You got to get the real thing to bring out the like umami or the flavor or whatever that junk called, man.
They fall like some people can't cook.
Some people can't cook, but I'm not some people. All right,
You let them know.
You gotta let them know.
Let them know.
All right, cut. So this is a different type of knife, y'all know. No salmonella, no cross contamination for me, man. I know how to get down. Friend came up. I know how to get down. All right. So first we're gonna cut the chicken into square bites, and then I already cut the garlic and turmeric up into square pieces. Well, I meant the garlic and ginger up into square pieces. Then we add turmeric to form a little flavors. Then we're gonna do coriander. Then we're gonna do the chata masala, the chicken masala, tikka masala. You know,
Half y'all never heard of those.
y'all don't know, but the H mark come in clutch. Okay, you come in clutch.
They exotic. No one knows.
No one know. All right. Well, now we're about to put it in the bowl, and now I'm about to see y'all in the next little thing when it's all being put together. Okay. After all that, had to tickle it. Had to.
You have to lock in.
You have to do a lot. Y'all like that new 21? But we're adding our last little bit of seasoning, and then we're really gonna start. And this, I say this recipe is pretty much inspiration from Golden Gully. He really like know what he's doing. I really respect him on the top.
Of course.
Really respect him.
He's like a protege. He learned almost everything. He learned from chefs around the world. That's why he international.
Wow.
It's just something crazy. And it's gonna be a good meal, right?
Of course it is.
Especially you on the course. Yeah, you on the course? Because I'm about to cook you. Alright. Now we add the yogurt, and then we confuse all these flavors. Chicken goes. It all goes together. It all goes together. The first goes yogurt.
Of course.
No, at first, I'm sorry. It goes ginger, turmeric, garlic, coriander, chata masala, tikka masala, and then the chicken.
Wow. Fantastic.
All right. Now here we add all the seasoning, guys. And stop being weird. Really gets to the bread and butter of this thing.
Lord knows when it started.
Get all the little excess things out of there. Make sure you get every little bit.
More seasoning. Because who doesn't want flavorful food?
Exactly. Swell. God. All right. Then you mix it. Mix it finely. And then you pour it over the chicken. May need to water a little bit though, so it can actually form as a marinade for the chicken.
Of course.
So I'm gonna put a little bit of water in this.
A little bit.
Yeah.
When you order DoorDash, you can just throw the plates away.
All right. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Woo!
that pepper killing.
Excuse me. Don't forget squeeze lemon juice.
Of course.
You can use a fresh lemon, of course, but ran out of lemons.
Same difference. That's probably them. See, I got like the sub in.
Tyson.
Okay, so we forgot to record them coming in. So here's the taste test.
Someone said no.
Get the guess, bro. Get the guess or something, bro.
All right, we got Tyson over here.
All right, Tyson, you my bud, bro. How you think this junk gonna be? You seem kind of disappointed. I ain't happy on time.
Yeah, man. Kind of disappointed the bread. It's not here yet. Still waiting on the chicken to be done. So, you know, we cool.
But you know, like you know, I always deliver, right?
Yeah, you should have got Haja though.
I should have got. She couldn't make it.
Believe
She couldn't make it.
She couldn't make it.
But
Haja, you gonna be in the next one, though.
Make it, man.
Yeah, man. I had to eat something.
What you ate?
I didn't eat nothing yet.
Oh. I got you. I got this dude, bro. I got this dude. I swear I don't got this. Okay, so back again. A lot of footage got missing because my friend, he had to go run a few errands back home. He didn't get to taste the food. He ain't dead, but it's just like, food was so good. So, 30 minutes later, we gonna cut to it.
Like I said, please don't mind the background. A lot of stuff just about to get
We
moved.
got our final product. I swear I ain't bought this. We made all this junk. All right. Class supports over there. I didn't have time to make it done. I couldn't do it. All right.
All right.
Moment of truth right here.
First taste test.
What that mean?
It's good.
Yeah. See, man. The flavor was here, but he had to go run some errands. See, I told you, man. I always throw down the kitchen. This ain't the last of me. But all right.
If I go walk home right now with this in hand, I can make it.
Is it gonna work now?
All right. All right, y'all. That was my first video, YouTube video. Wrapping this up. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Sorry for the background. It wasn't very flattering for me either, but I still wanted to get the content through, even though we got babies on the way. Not me. I got another niece on the way, thank God. And I'm just hoping that this new year can bring along something great within all of us, and everybody get their blessings and stay right with God. But till next time, C3 Chef out.